In this example, I need to find the exact value of the cosecant of 4 pi divided by 3. As the problem says exact value, this means don't use your calculator as it will give you a decimal approximation. Use the unit circle shown over here. And for all these points on the unit circle, the x-coordinate represents the cosine of that angle. The y-coordinate represents the sine of that angle. Now remember, the cosecant function is a reciprocal of the sine function. So the cosecant of 4 pi divided by 3 is just 1 divided by the sine of 4 pi divided by 3. Now, is 4 pi divided by 3 on our unit circle? Yes, it's right over here. I need the sine of that angle, and remember that's the y-coordinate of this point, which is negative the square root of 3 divided by 2. So I just have 1 divided by the negative square root of 3 divided by 2. Now, simplifying this expression, I have 1, and then how do you divide by a fraction? You multiply by the reciprocal. How do you take the reciprocal of a fraction? You just flip it upside down. So I'm going to get negative 2 divided by the square root of 3. And 1 times negative 2 divided by the square root of 3 is just negative 2 divided by the square root of 3. Now, if you do not need to rationalize the denominator of your answer, you can leave it in this form. But if you need to rationalize the denominator of your answer, you multiply numerator and denominator by the square root of 3. You get negative 2 times the square root of 3 divided by the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 9, which is 3. So the cosecant of 4 pi divided by 3 equals negative 2 times the square root of 3 over 3.